got ourselves some monkey prints here.
Monkey prints.
Yes, monkey prints. I said monkey prints. Now shut up. We're trying to find our gorilla. And it's been an hour now, about an hour and a half. Let's go find our monkey. Been 2 hours. Still no monkey. Man, where's that one? Somehow, it's been escaping our grasp quite a few bits. Oh! Where's my monkey? Been another hour and a half. Haven't seen the monkey since.
Oh, what?
Spoon!
There's monkey DNA on it.
I hope that's not what I think it is.
Oh!
I'm about to give up on this monkey, aren't you? Yeah, I think so. Don't you get that feeling he's watching you? Not really. I mean, the fact that there's tall grass behind us, we don't know if he's going to attack us or not. Yeah, and here's drinks, you know what? I don't see it. Okay.
Can I help you enjoy that Snickers? Happy peanuts soar over chocolate-covered mountaintops and waterfalls of caramel. Prancing nougat in the meadow sings a song of satisfaction too.